A regular vacuum works great for dry debris, but everyday messes aren't always dry. Dyson is excellent at traditional vacuuming, especially when it comes to dry dirt and debris. The Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra goes a step further by vacuuming and washing hard floors at the same time. For everyday dry messes, both machines can get the job done. But when the mess includes coffee, crumbs, or sticky spills, a dry vacuum can only solve part of the problem. Tineco picks up the debris and washes the floor in one pass. One pass, and the mess is gone. Dry vacuuming removes loose debris, but wet cleaning can still lift residue left behind on hard floors. Its anti-tangle system is designed to handle long hair while helping keep the roller clear. And with its 180-degree flat reach design, it can clean deep underneath low furniture. Bidirectional self-propulsion also makes it easy to move forward and back with very little effort. When cleaning is finished, return it to the dock and start the self-cleaning cycle with one tap. The system then uses 185° Fahrenheit flash-dry hot air to dry the roller and help keep it ready for the next clean. The dirty water is collected separately, so you can empty, rinse, and get it ready again. For homes with hard floors, Tineco combines vacuuming and washing into one simple cleaning system.